How are you all? Hope you all are fine and healthy in your home. Yeah, I am also fine. Thank you. And in this lockdown period, we have to protect ourselves from coronavirus. Okay. We should keep our body clean. Every day, take bath and wash your hands well and often. Wash for at least 20 seconds with soap and water. Okay. Try not to touch your eyes, nose, mouth. Okay. Especially if you haven't washed your hands. And while going outside, keep the social distance. If you go to public places, means keep social distance and wear the face mask. Okay, students, let's go to our subject. EVS, Environmental Science, short form only EVS. Okay. Environment means what now? What is environment? Environment means our surroundings. Okay. We are surrounded by air, water, land, mountains, deserts, etc. Okay. These all makes our environment. Okay. These all makes our environment. Today we are going to see the topic air. Did you see the air? Yeah. Can you see the air, ma? No, we cannot see the air because it has no shapes, size and colors. We cannot see the air. It is invisible. It is invisible. நம்மளால பார்க்க முடியாதது என்னன்னு சொல்லுவோம்? Invisible சொல்லுவோம். ஓகேவா? So air is invisible. We cannot see the air, but we can feel the air. Yeah, we can feel the air when it moves. Okay, காத்து வீசும்போது நம்மளால அதை உணர முடியும். ஓகேவா? We can feel the air when it moves. Okay. Why do we need air, ma? Yeah, why do we need air? We need air for breathing. நம்ம breathe பண்றதுக்கு காத்து தேவை. ஓகேவா? Okay, what will happen if you hold our breath for few seconds? Few seconds நம்ம breathe பண்ணாம இருந்தா என்னமா ஆகும்? Yeah, we feel suffocated. நமக்கு என்ன உடனே மூச்சு திணறல் ஏற்படுமா? So without breath we cannot live. Without breath we cannot live. All living things need air to live. All living things need air to live. Okay. Air is present all around us. எல்லா இடத்துலயுமே காற்று இருக்கு. ஓகேவா? Air is present all around us. Next we are going to see uses of air. Now only I said we need air for breathing. First one is breathing. We need air for breathing. Okay, how we are breathing, ma? What is breathing? Inhale and exhale of the air is called breathing. Okay, va? Inhale. Breathe the air in is called inhale. மூச்சு நல்லா உள்ள இழுக்குறோம் பாத்தீங்களா? அதுதான் inhale. Breathe the air in. Breathe the air in is called inhale. Exhale. Exhale. Next என்ன பண்றோம்? Breathe out பண்றோம்ல, அதுதான் exhale. Breathe the air breathe the air out. Breathe the air out is called exhale. So how we are breathing, ma? Inhaling and exhaling of air through our nose is called breathing. Okay, va? How we are breathing? Inhaling and exhaling of air through our nose is called breathing. Okay. Next, gases are present in the air. Gases are present in the air. We are inhaling only, ma. Oxygen gases only we are inhaling, and carbon dioxide gases only are exhale the carbon dioxide gas. Second point, filling in balloons football and cycle tube. Okay, air is filled in balloons, football and cycle tube. Okay, third point, plants and animals also need air. Okay, plants and animals need air. Okay ma, this is only uses of air. We need air is used for breathing, filled in balloons, football and cycle tubes, and plants and animals also need air. Okay ma, all living things need air to breathe. Okay students, next we are going to see wind. Wind means what ma? Moving air is called wind. Okay va, காத்து வீசுன்னு சொல்றோம் பாத்தீங்களா, அதுதான் wind. Moving air is called wind. Uses of wind: fly a kite, move a windmill, sail a boat. First, wind can make a kite fly high in the sky. Okay, it can move a windmill. Okay, next, it can also sail a boat. Okay, these are the uses of wind: fly a kite, move a windmill, sail a boat. These are the uses of wind. Next we are going to see the types of wind. 3 types of wind we are going to see now: breeze, storm, gale. First one is a breeze, second one storm, and third one gale. Okay va? Breeze. Air moving slowly and gently is called breeze. Around cool air. We feel that sometimes we feel the cool air. நம்ம ஜில்லுன்னு காத்து வீசுறோம் பாத்தீங்களா? That is only breeze. தென்றல் காற்று அப்படினு சொல்லுவாங்க. ஓகேவாமா? Air moving slowly and gently is called breeze. Second one, storm. Air moving strongly. காத்து ஃபாஸ்டா வீசுன்னு சொல்லுவோம் பாத்தீங்களா? புயல் காற்று அப்படினு சொல்லுவோம்லமா? Air moving strongly is called storm. Third one is a gale. Very strong wind is called gale. Very strong wind. சூறாவளி காற்று அப்படினு சொல்லுவாங்கமா. இதுதான் gale. Very strong wind is called gale. Okay, 3 types of wind. What are the 3 types of wind ma? Breeze, storm, gale. What is breeze ma? Air moving strong, slowly and gently is called breeze. Storm. What is storm ma? Air moving strongly is called storm. And third one, gale. What is gale? Very strong wind is called gale. Okay. Next topic we are going to see air pollution. Okay va? Air pollution na nama polluted air. அதாவது அசுத்தமான காற்று, dirty air சொல்லுவோம் பாத்தீங்களா? That only air pollution. Dust, smoke, germs and harmful gases makes the air polluted. Smoke coming out from vehicles and factories also makes the air polluted. Okay, we should keep the air clean, otherwise we will breathe the polluted air. It is not good for our health. Okay, we should breathe the clean air only. What should we do to get the clean air? We should plant more trees to get the clean air. Okay students, let us revise students. Fill in the blanks. First question, dash is present all around us. Dash is present all around us. Do you know the answer students? Very good. Air. A-I-R. Air is present all around us. காற்று எல்லா இடத்துலயுமே இருக்கும். ஓகேவா? So air is present all around us. Second one, moving air is called dash. Moving air is called dash. Moving air is called wind. W-I-N-D. Wind. Moving air is called wind. Very good. Third one. We cannot dash air, but we can dash it. We cannot dash air. Air நம்ம என்ன பண்ண முடியாதுன்னா பார்க்க முடியாது. சொன்னல we cannot see the air. We cannot see the air, but we can dash it. நம்ம என்ன பண்ண முடியும்? But we can feel it. Okay. F-E-E-L. Okay. We cannot see the air, but we can feel it. Okay. Next one. We need dash air to breathe. We need dash air to breathe. நம்ம எந்த ஏர்மா breathe பண்ணணும்? Polluted air breathe பண்ணலாமா? It is good for our health? No, it's not good for our health. We need clean air to breathe. We need clean air to breathe. C-L-E-A-N. Clean. We need clean air to breathe. Last one ma. Air is dash for breathing. நம்ம breathe பண்றதுக்கு air ரொம்ப முக்கியம். ஓகேவா? Very important only. Essential. E-S-S-E-N-T-I-A-L. Air is essential for breathing. Okay, it's very important. Essential means very important. Air is essential for breathing. Okay, let's revise ma. Air is present all around us. Moving air is called wind. We cannot see air, but we can feel it. We need clean air to breathe, and air is dash for breathing, essential for breathing. I hope you learned something new about this air. Thank you, students.